Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a wise farmer named Ravi. He has a beautiful farm. He is known in the village for his hard work and kindness. One day, a young man named Arjun came to Ravi seeking advice. I'm lazy and don't like to work. Can you tell me a way to succeed without much effort? Arjun said. Ravi smiled. Arjun, there are no shortcuts to success. Hard work and dedication is essential. Let me share a story with you. Long ago, there was a farmer who was jealous of his neighbor's successful crops. One day, he finds a magical seed that promises to grow into a tree containing gold coins. He planted the seed and waited anxiously. But days passed by and nothing happened. Disheartened, he shared his plight with his neighbor. The wise neighbor laughed and said, there are no trees that yield gold coins. Real wealth comes from the toil of our hands and our brows. Hard work, perseverance, and honesty lead to success. Arjun realizes his mistake and thanks Ravi for giving him a valuable lesson. From that day, he worked diligently on the farm and achieved great success. True prosperity comes from honest efforts.